Welcome to Vox Singing Academy's Alexandria Studios here in the beautiful inner suburbs of Sydney, New South Wales. We teach private, in-studio and online result-driven customized singing lessons for beginners to pros, children to seniors, for all modern types of singing. Vox Singing Academy is Australia's largest and most successful singing academy, which started in Melbourne in 1993 by Principal Director and singing teacher Peter Vox, having taught numerous major label recording artists such as Amel and the Sniffers, Rob Mills, North Lane, Thornhill, Pseudo Echo, Regurgitator, All Day, More Rat, and Make Them Suffer, just to name a few. If you follow your teacher's instructions, we guarantee substantial singing improvement in 3 weeks. For bookings and more info, check out the links below.